Borrower tasks let borrowers review and acknowledge important documents after submitting their loan application. After finishing their loan application, or when logging into their loan portal, borrowers will find these tasks in their to-do list. Tasks can be created and required for all loan applications or on a per-borrower basis. To assign a task to a specific borrower's to-do list, navigate to Applications. Locate and click View on the borrower's application. Then, look for the Secure Documents button in the top right. To create a global task that will be added to all future borrowers' to-do list, under App Settings, go to Document List. The process to create a new task is the same for both. Click the Add Task button. Enter the task name, then choose your task type, text or PDF. For text, type your content into the text box. For PDF, upload your pre-prepared document. Click Save to finish. Once saved, the task will automatically appear in the borrower's to-do list. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team at support@etraffickers.com.